Did you know about Fibonacci numbers? This intriguing mathematical sequence not only appears in natural patterns like flower petals and spiral galaxies, but also influences artistic designs and architectural structures. It's as if nature herself is revealing her hidden mathematical secrets to us. Have you heard that Pompeii had fast food restaurants in ancient times? Archaeologists discovered thermopolia, places where hot food was sold, providing a snapshot of ancient Roman street food culture. It's like a glimpse into the world of historical fast food. Follow Daily Glimpse for daily fascinating facts.